Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing our Christmas special. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be drawing, let me see.
What is that?
Is that snowflake?
Okay.
Okay, knock it off. We're going to be doing one of our favorite characters, which is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But it's going to be a bit of a twist because it's going to be
Drawing Christmas karaoke with Freezing Boy.
Drawing Christmas karaoke with Freezing Boy. So what you're going to need first is
A Sharpie and paper.
Need a Sharpie. You need some paper and some markers. Now, particularly, I would use markers of the character we're going to draw. So we're going to have brown, we're going to have yellow, got some blue, maybe some red. So you got all of your tools together, and we'll get started. Now, how does this sing? We'll start with Jingle Bells.
No.
Oh, sorry. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Okay, we'll let the song take the ride. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to get started, and we're going to draw.
And Vixen, Comet, and Cupid, and Donner, and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
you'll go down in history.
All right, boys and girls, so now we have it, our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer character.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video.
And how you go? Ding, 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 ding. You get it. Awesome. And you can check out our next one, which is, I think, what do you think? Frosty?
Frosty or Gingerbread Man? Probably
Frosty. Probably Frosty. Have a good day, guys.
See you later. It's Christmas time, and don't forget to ask your parents if you could buy a book. Website is www.fkcv.ca. See you next time. Bye.